YouTubers, welcome back to new video. Today I got a Tecumseh lawnmower, as you can see, for 10 bucks. I replaced the pull cord for 3 bucks. You can see the other video as well. Today's project is to clean a carburetor without pulling out and make it run. So what I'm gonna do is put some starter fluid or carburetor cleaner you can use as well, and then I'm gonna pull it. If it's gonna start, if it's gonna be good, it's gonna be good. If it's not gonna be good, then we're gonna clean a carby. I'm pretty sure it's a carby issue, but let's see. Oil level, just let me go one more time. It's got some fuel in. It's got enough fuel to start. Let's see if it starts. Now it's the time to clean a carby without taking off. Let's do it. So I got a 13 mil. Anti-clockwise. Be careful, it's got a washer, so you don't want to lose that. So we'll clean up the small hole as well. It has. It's not like an adjustment carby style, so. Alright, look at the dirt build up here. So what I'm gonna do is put some degreaser. So spray all around. And mostly there is an emulsion tube here. Try to clean up here. And I got these ones. I'm trying to put that in. Try to find the hole, put it in. So it has gone in. Has gone in. That much, which is, I believe, should work. Yeah, because this Tecumseh engine's carburetor, not easy to take it off. You got to take that off. In order to get the carby clean for Tecumseh engine, you got to take that off. You got to take this off and take the whole things off, and you can clean up. But I'm just trying to do quick as I can. See my luck. So there is a small hole in here as well. Try to spray right here. I'll try to show you the smallest hole here. Try to clean that as well. Clean everywhere as much as you can. So time to fill it in. It's not kind of going in. Push it in. Let me tighten that up. Alright, this is just a trial. You don't lose anything doing this one, because it can work on lots of engine as well. Sometimes the carburetor is hard to get in. Some of them's easier. Just tilt it down, spray in. You can even still see the emulsion tube, and put something to clean in emulsion tube. Get a spray and put it back on. Should be going good. So let's try for this one if it works. So let's get the throttle on. Alright, 1, 2, 3, give one more. Alright, it worked well. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep watching, keep learning.